The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider represents a new era in military aviation, designed to meet the evolving demands of modern and future warfare. As the United States Air Force's next-generation long-range stealth bomber, the B-21 Raider is built to replace and complement older bombers such as the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit, while working alongside the B-52 Stratofortress. More than just an aircraft, the B-21 Raider is a symbol of technological dominance, strategic deterrence, and innovation in aerospace engineering. From the very beginning, the B-21 Raider was envisioned as a highly survivable, flexible, and cost-effective platform. Unlike previous bombers that were designed during the Cold War, the B-21 has been developed with modern threats in mind, including advanced air defense systems, cyber warfare, electronic warfare, and rapidly changing battle environments. Its primary mission is to penetrate heavily defended airspace and deliver both conventional and nuclear payloads with extreme precision, ensuring the United States maintains a credible and effective deterrent capability. One of the most striking aspects of the B-21 Raider is its stealth design. Although exact details remain classified, it is widely understood that the aircraft incorporates advanced low-observable technologies that go beyond those used on the B-2 Spirit. Its shape, materials, and coatings are optimized to reduce detection across multiple spectrums, including radar, infrared, acoustic, and electromagnetic signatures. This allows the B-21 to operate deep inside enemy territory while remaining extremely difficult to track or target. The B-21 Raider is also designed with adaptability at its core. It is built as an open architecture platform, meaning its systems can be upgraded easily as new technologies emerge. This ensures the aircraft remains relevant for decades without requiring complete redesigns. Software-driven systems allow rapid updates to sensors, communication tools, and mission planning capabilities, giving the B-21 a significant advantage in a world where threats evolve faster than ever before. In terms of payload, the B-21 Raider is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons. These include conventional precision-guided munitions, long-range standoff missiles, and nuclear weapons. The ability to switch between mission types makes the B-21 extremely versatile. Whether conducting strategic deterrence missions, precision strikes, or intelligence-driven operations, the Raider can adapt to meet mission requirements with minimal preparation time. Another key strength of the B-21 is its global reach. Designed as a long-range bomber, it can operate from bases within the continental United States and strike targets anywhere in the world. Aerial refueling further extends its range, allowing continuous global presence and rapid response to emerging threats. This capability reinforces the concept of power projection and ensures that the United States can respond decisively, regardless of distance. The B-21 Raider also emphasizes sustainability and maintainability. One of the challenges with earlier stealth aircraft was the high cost and complexity of maintenance. The B-21 addresses this issue by using advanced manufacturing techniques, digital engineering, and more durable stealth materials. These improvements reduce downtime, lower operational costs, and increase mission readiness. By focusing on affordability alongside performance, the B-21 program aims to deliver advanced capability without excessive long-term expense. Crew considerations have also played an important role in the design of the B-21 Raider. While it is a manned aircraft, it is expected to work closely with unmanned systems in the future. The cockpit is designed to reduce workload through automation and advanced displays, allowing pilots to focus on mission-critical decisions. Human-machine teaming is a central concept, ensuring that the crew can manage complex missions efficiently even in high-threat environments. Strategically, the B-21 Raider strengthens the United States nuclear triad, which consists of land-based missiles, submarine-launched missiles, and strategic bombers. Bombers are unique within the triad because they are visible, recallable, and flexible. The B-21 enhances these qualities by combining stealth, precision, and survivability. Its presence sends a powerful message of deterrence, while still offering decision-makers a wide range of response options. The development of the B-21 Raider also highlights the importance of digital innovation in modern aerospace programs. Northrop Grumman used digital design tools extensively, creating virtual models and simulations long before physical prototypes were built. This approach reduced risk, shortened development timelines, and improved overall quality. As a result, the B-21 program is often cited as a model for how future military aircraft can be developed more efficiently. Beyond its military role, the B-21 Raider represents a broader shift in how air power is defined. It is not just a bomber in the traditional sense, but a networked platform capable of collecting, processing, and sharing information across the battlefield. By integrating with satellites, fighter jets, drones, and ground systems, the B-21 becomes a central node in a highly connected combat ecosystem. As it enters service, the B-21 Raider is expected to remain operational well into the middle of the 21st century. Its design philosophy focuses on long-term relevance, ensuring it can adapt to threats that do not yet exist. In a world of rapid technological change and strategic uncertainty, this adaptability is one of its greatest strengths. In conclusion, the Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is more than a replacement for older bombers, it is a transformational leap in air power, combining advanced stealth, long-range capability, flexible payload options, and future-ready design. The B-21 Raider ensures that the United States maintains air superiority and strategic deterrence for decades to come. It stands as a powerful example of how innovation, strategy, and engineering excellence come together to shape the future of military aviation.